Well, it was a frustrating loss probably, and you guys are missing free throws, missing transition opportunities. What was there any one or two things that you can take away with that?
Look, the game was very tough. Njarðvík is very quality team. Like we play without our foreigner import player Kevin, who made really silly things on the last game, and but it was missing like a fluency in offense, someone who can pull the team, offensively. Defensively, I know that my players give a lot of energy to make things better, but offensively we were struggling all the game. We don't have, especially transition in offense was not working on this game. We were scoring, struggling for every point, and on the end, Njarðvík take that lead. They got confidence, especially in the third quarter, and they finished the game with experience.
Yeah, you were having trouble with their big guards, Depp and Maciek, that were posting up your admittedly smaller guards, and you switched to the zone.
Yes.
Did you feel like the zone helped you?
No, the zone didn't help much, must say, on this game. But we got a problem with mismatches. We got two small guards, and that's our problem. Matti and Haukon, and it's easy for the big guys, big guards of Njarðvík to match up, but definitely we need to find a weapon again then. Like you say, I switched in zone 3-2, but they got confidence, they got 15 points advantage, and when you got 15 points advantage, it's easy to play, whatever.
Yeah. Any comment on the Katinda incident here in the second quarter?
Look, after this incident in Njarðvík, I really don't want to comment before I see, But like I say, the refs were really good on this game. They were, give the best, and I don't see, I didn't see. I think he kicked him, but I don't know where and how. Well, the refs, I think they call unsportsmanlike foul.
Right.
What is, okay, we need to check again.
Thanks, man.
Thank you very much.